So let's look into a case study of a child who has a parent who engaged in stalking behavior. This analysis focuses on the case study of a teenager, referred to as Child A, whose parent was convicted of stalking and explores the traumatic experiences and subsequent effects on the adolescent brain. So let's analyze Child A's experiences in this case study. Traumatic experiences and brain damage. Child A's exposure to their parents' stalking behavior can lead to significant trauma, which may result in specific brain alterations and functional changes. The amygdala hyperactivation. The amygdala, a key structure involved in fear processing, may exhibit hyperactivation in response to traumatic experiences. Child A's witnessing of the parents' arrest and exposure to their obsessive behavior could lead to the amygdala's heightened sensitivity, resulting in exaggerated fear responses and hypervigilance. The hippocampal volume reduction. Prolonged exposure to stress and trauma may lead to structural changes in the hippocampus, impacting memory and emotional regulation. Child A's experiences, including witnessing the parents' arrest, cyberbullying, and observing obsessive behavior, may contribute to a reduction in hippocampal volume, leading to difficulties in memory encoding and retrieval. The prefrontal cortex dysfunction. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for executive functions such as decision-making, impulse control, and emotion regulation, may be affected by trauma. Her experiences of witnessing their parents' stalking and subsequent cyberbullying could lead to prefrontal cortex dysfunction, resulting in impaired decision-making abilities and difficulties in regulating emotions. The disrupted neurotransmitter systems. Trauma can disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. Child A's experiences may lead to alterations in these neurotransmitter systems, potentially contributing to mood dysregulation, anxiety, and depression. The brain activity and functional connectivity. Traumatic experiences can also affect brain activity and functional connectivity, leading to alterations in information processing and communication between brain regions. The hyperarousal and altered default mode network. Child A's exposure to trauma may result in hyperarousal, characterized by increased activation in brain regions associated with vigilance and threat detection. Additionally, disruptions in the default mode network, responsible for self-reflection and social cognition, may occur, affecting Child A's ability to introspect and interact socially. The impaired connectivity in social brain networks. The social brain networks, including the mirror neuron system, may exhibit impaired connectivity due to trauma. Child A's experiences may interfere with the development of these networks, leading to difficulties in empathy, social perception, and forming and maintaining healthy relationships. This analysis highlights the neurological implications of trauma on the adolescent brain, specifically in the case of Child A. The traumatic experiences of witnessing parental stalking, then subsequently being cyberbullied, and observing their obsessive behavior can result in brain alterations, functional changes, and disrupted connectivity. By understanding the neurobiological effects of trauma, we can develop targeted interventions and provide a supportive environment to facilitate recovery and promote resilience in adolescents affected by similar challenges.